How do wet conditions affect fielders' grip in double plays? Imagine a game where every move counts and the weather suddenly turns wet. How does rain or dampness change what players do on the field? Well, wet conditions can really shake things up for infielders trying to turn double plays. When the field is wet, the ball becomes slick and hard to grip. This makes catching and transferring the ball faster and more reliable a real challenge. The glove and fingers don't get as much friction, so the chance of dropping the ball or mishandling it goes up. Plus, the field surface itself gets muddy or slippery. Players can lose their footing or slip while trying to make quick moves. This disrupts their positioning and timing, which are both super important for executing double plays smoothly. When players slip or stumble, their ability to catch the ball, step on the base, and throw quickly is affected. It's like trying to do a fast dance on a greasy floor. From a stats point of view, wet weather often leads to more errors on defense. Infield errors happen more often because players struggle with grip and footing. When errors increase, teams miss out on turning double plays as often as they normally would. Games played in rain or on wet fields tend to have fewer double plays completed successfully. That's because the quick, precise actions needed, like catching the ball, transferring it to the other hand, and throwing, are all slowed down or disrupted by moisture. Pitchers also feel the effects of wet conditions. When the ball is wet, it's harder to grip, which can lead to less control. Poor control can cause more walks or fewer strikeouts, which means more runners on base. More runners mean more chances for double plays, but also more difficulty in executing them under wet conditions. Overall, wet weather makes it harder for fielders to hold onto the ball and stay balanced. This results in more mistakes and fewer double plays. These struggles show up in defensive stats, with higher error rates and lower double play conversion rates during rainy games. Teams often have to adjust by focusing on more careful catching and footwork, trying to keep their plays clean despite the wet challenges.